feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To create your own behavior pack for Minecraft, start by creating a new folder in the behavior_packs directory. Inside this folder, add a manifest JSON file with pack details. Then, create a folder named Functions to script your custom behaviors in McFunction files. Use JSON files within Entities, Items, and Loot_Tables folders to define new elements. Finally, load your behavior pack in Minecraft under Settings to Storage to Behavior Packs. This will enable your customizations.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.